Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video you will learn how to make these paper flowers. It's super easy. Right now I am showing you the name of the paper that I got, which I purchased in Michael's. I ended up getting this pinky color and as well as this champagne color. Both of them are shiny. The pink is only shiny on one side and the other one is shiny on both sides. Basically all you need is a hot glue gun, a pencil, some scissors, and the forms. The forms are super easy. They literally look like a heart except it doesn't point at the bottom. It's more of a, like, I would say rectangular bottom. um and then once you get the first one down, the other ones are so super easy because they're either going to be a little bit bigger than that first one or a little bit smaller. So mines are usually maybe like half an inch to an inch bigger or smaller than the other one. But yeah, you do want to store away these forms in a good place because they come in handy so you don't have to keep creating them over and over again. Um, and yeah, I saw a tutorial on YouTube actually, and it just seemed pretty easy. But then again, I love doing these types of projects, so I pick up quickly. Um, but yeah, so just keep on watching. I'm just showing you the cutouts that I've done. Um, so before we get to this step of gluing them, if you see there's like a tiny slit right in the middle, you're gonna wanna create a slit on all of your petals and then glue them together. But yeah, so in today's flower is not gonna be as big as the other two that I've created previously. Um, this one was like a medium size to a small, I would say. Um, so I just used my medium and my small original template, and then I created like an extra small little petal thing. And then here I'm just showing you that for each petal you're going to want to roll one outward and then the other one will be inward, and you're going to want to continue that pattern all around through each petal, so it's going to be outward, inward, outward, inward. And this is what's going to give you the shape, give not you but give your flower its shape. um, but yeah, it's very important to do this step. I was using a ruler to do this, but before, when I've done it before, I used a fat marker to, like, roll it and give it its shape. But it's totally up to you, whatever you feel comfortable using. So this is what it would start looking like. So inward, outward, inward, outward. Now all of them here are already rolled. Then you're going to want to create this hexagon where you're going to glue all your petals on. But actually I ended up cutting this hexagon way too small, so I went ahead and um, drew another one out, which was like each side was 3 inches long. So I guess you can eyeball it or like start off with a construction paper so you're not ruining this type of paper. Um, but yeah, this is what's gonna hold your petals together, your big flower. But usually what I use after this step, after it's all glued, I usually glue a paper plate to the back of the rose so it can just hold its shape better, because that hexagon isn't as sturdy. But here I am showing you a bigger one because the previous one was just way too small and I just wasn't going to have enough space to glue all of the flowers. So there I'm showing you that each side is 3 inches long, and then you want to go ahead and cut that out and start gluing the petals to each side. It's super easy, guys. And just remember to have fun with it. You know, you don't have to, you can make, you know, each petal a different color. You can like roll the ends to whatever direction you want to roll them. So just be creative. This is what the flower ended up looking like. I was also in a rush, so that's why it wasn't as pretty as this one. But my mom did make that centerpiece, so she did show me how to create it, and in a little bit you will see how I did it. Wow, they all look so different, right? This one's one of my favorites. My dad loves this one, this pink one in the background. Let's see. Now I'm walking back to the table, and I will show you how to do that centerpiece. Sorry for the cough. I'm still dealing with these allergies. I don't know if it's allergies at this point or if I just have a cold. Okay, so basically you're gonna want to cut off a rectangle from whatever cardboard that you have, whatever color you want to use for the centerpiece, and cut little fringes. Be careful you cut too much or else it'll chop off the whole thing and you're gonna have to start over. But remember, definitely you want to fold that rectangle in half before you start cutting those fringes. Once you're done cutting all the fringes, you're gonna want to roll it up, put some glue right there at the end and on the bottom, then tape it, glue it right in the center, and you're gonna want to spread those fringes out and fluff them up a little bit. And that's it. Voila. Super quick. The whole gluing part takes, I swear, like less than 5 minutes, but it's the whole cutting the construction paper up that, you know, that can take a little bit of some time. So if you are up for the challenge, I suggest you try it out for yourself, or if not, have someone else help you with the cutting part. And that's it. And what do you guys think? Do you guys like this one? This one's my least favorite, but they're all unique in their own way, so I love all of them. But I don't know. I rushed this one. I could have done better. But yeah, guys, try this out. Let me know if you do try it out. And if you do, comment below. Send me a little screenshot of your project. And that's it. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.